Become skilled in gold by trying these ideas. Gold is actually a staple of savvy investors. Do you wish to discover more about gold investing, which means that your investments have got a stronger hold about them? Between purchasing companies' shares to purchasing raw gold, you do have a lot to take into account. Continue reading to learn more details regarding this popular investment option. When selling gold, sell to reputable buyers. You should check out their reputation by contacting the BBB and checking online reviews. Tend not to do business with a buyer that does not treat you as a valued customer or does not give a fair price. This extra step makes sure that you might be covered and paid appropriately. Think of selling your gold on the web. You no longer need to visit a physical store to acquire and sell gold. You should use one of the websites on the market to offer your gold. You will definitely get a kit to return gold. They will likely provide you with payment for the goods after they receive your items. Check out current market values before you ever sell any jewelry. This way, you will be aware when you are available a reasonable price for the things you have. Most dealers will provide you with the industry value, but some will count on the point that people simply wish cash to try to obtain the best deal feasible for themselves. When considering time and energy to sell your gold, figure out if you wish to market it for the melt value or simply as a piece. The easiest way to sell off gold, and the one many dealers and pawnbrokers prefer, is perfect for the melt value. It might take longer to obtain the right buyer, but you will definitely get more income in this way. Gold quite a bit of fun to purchase, but refrain from announcing it to everyone. You really don't know that can be trusted with regards to your investments. Protect your gold by storing it somewhere secure. Doing so means you will be protecting your gold. Facing gold commodities, proceed with caution. There are numerous swindlers that can be found inside the gold market. There are numerous honest dealers, however, there are those who are only over to steal your own personal information. Always exercise caution. Before selling jewelry as scrap, come with an appraisal done. You must do this for special pieces. Unique pieces could be worth more intact compared to what they would if eventually melted down. Although you will likely have to fund an appraisal, you could find you might have something worth much more than you thought. In addition, appraisers may know people who may be interested in your jewelry. Lots of times the backs of your earrings are gold. The bends to rings and necklace clasps are frequently times real too. Since such items weigh relatively little, you should sell them as their own lot. A big quantity can assist you in profiting better from their store. Before buying gold, get acquainted with the dealer. Seek advice from the Better Business Bureau to ensure the standing of a dealer. By contacting the BBB, you can observe if they have any complaints against them. If you find filed complaints, you might want to think about going with a different dealer altogether. Divide any gold you intend to sell into groups that include specific carat values. The gold's value changes depending on the carat value. Mixing them together may lessen the worth. The higher the importance of the carat, the more valuable your gold is. Gold went up in value throughout the years, and that's great news for people who have purchased gold. The alterations in currency value affect the value of gold. The weaker the dollar, the stronger the gold price. Ask people you know with regard to their broken jewelry. Select a good jewelry scale, weigh the gold, and you could pay your relatives more than a pawn shop would pay but still have the ability to generate profits in the deal. Decide what you desire from buying gold before putting your money into it. Though gold stands up well against a bad economy and inflation, it can be risky. By setting goals and limiting your involvement, you may make smart choices for profit. If you would like come up with a gold investment for beauty and value reasons, take into consideration pure gold. Jewelry made of gold is both fashionable and valuable for an investment. Jewelry that's well crafted will make that piece worth far more money, and it's good to place money into. A great technique to purchase gold coins is as simple as purchasing ones produced just before 1933. In 1933, President Roosevelt recalled the gold coins that had been circulating around the United States. Many people didn't heed that recall, so there are a few very valuable coins still available. It is essential that you avoid going overboard and acquiring an excessive amount of whenever you spend money on gold. Gold does not bring income for the table like stocks and mutual funds can with dividends. In addition, the benefit is quite volatile. Occasionally of devaluing equities, it rises in price. Don't invest more than 5% in the portfolio inside the gold market. Are you currently considering a gold investment but you don't possess the upfront cash required? There may be no problem with starting small. Purchase small jewelry and coins once you have the amount of money. Eventually, you'll build up a substantial amount of gold. Before you decide to sell your gold, monitor gold prices to get a spell. Since gold prices fluctuate often, it's your call regarding when is the opportune moment to promote them. You need to have an act to the alterations and pulse of your price, as it goes down and up. It's well worth the time to monitor before selling. When selling gold, do not forget to bring your ID along. Thanks to its relative anonymity, gold is probably the most frequent valuables that thieves make an effort to fence. Because of this, government entities requires men and women to present their ID once they sell gold. In this way, it really is quicker to locate stolen gold. There is a lot to find out when selling and buying gold. With this information, you could make some smart gold investment choices. Here are some ideas to start making money through gold investment. GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.